How to deactivate your Facebook account? Well, it's a very simple process. So first of all, head over to your application Facebook. Enter your login credential, as in username and the password, and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this home page. Now head over to menu at the bottom right corner. In here, scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. And then head over to Settings. Inside Settings, head over to See More in Account Center. And then move into Personal Details. Move into Account Ownership and Control. Now you have to select Deactivation or Deletion. Select your Facebook account. Choose Deactivate Account and then click on Continue. Once again tap on Continue. Now what you want to do is, you simply have to enter the password of your Facebook account, and once again if you click on Continue, your account will be deactivated successfully, and then you'll be good to go. Well, you can reactivate your account anytime you want to. All you want to do is enter your login credential and your account will be reactivated successfully. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can deactivate your Facebook account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.